Hi everyone. In the previous video, we already create prototype design for login page. And right now, we want to create the dashboard prototype design with some menu like role access and user. And of course, logout. Let's go to the Affinity Designer. Again, you can use whatever you want. And here is our login page. We will create this using artboard. You have it too in any Adobe product like Photoshop and Illustrator. I will create the artboard right here, insert artboard, and then we can rename the artboard to be login page. And the second one, we can create as dashboard page. And here we will create the header. I already have some template here for my clients. So it's simple, just like this, because on the prototype design, we didn't need very detailed design. So this is enough. I will zoom in it. See, there's dashboard or page header or page name. And there's a date here. We don't actually need that in this module, so let's remove it. And also localization, I don't know if you want it or not, but I didn't use it, so I will remove it. Notification, yeah, we will use it, but it's too far to the future, so I will remove it for now. And here, I will change it into English, username, and icon, just like that. We can make it longer. Let's zoom out a little and drag it into the edge. And here, I will create when I tap this button, it will show us our simple menu. Let's draw the menu. Just draw a box right here, and I will use a little text right here. Our menu is role access. Let's change the design first. The color, I want it to be transparent, but it has a border. So I will give a stroke about 1 pixel. Okay, it's good. Move it a little to the left. And change the color of the border, maybe, yeah, just like this. So it will become the same with other border. And here we have the menu, like that. And give it a line as a separator. And we can group it. This is also become the base of your prototype item. Just like I have button text field right here, you can also make it as an item right here. But first I will finish the color for the font and make it much lighter. And if we're done and it's already grouped, we can set the rules for them. Let's say what we want the design to do if we resize this. I don't want the scale become bigger like this, right? Let's set the rule. On constraint, we can set no resize. Sorry, I'm on the group right now, and I will change it into the text. For the rules, I want it to be right aligned, so I will set it always seeing the right edge and the top edge. What it makes is, when I resize this, it will always stick to the top and to the right. Get back to the text rule, and I don't want it to be resized. Done. I also want to set the rules for the line. I want to stick the position right here and right align. So same as the text. Then I set to the right edge and top edge and allow it to resize on horizontal axis like this. Let's see it in the action. If we resize this, it will stick to the position, but it allow resize on horizontal axis. It's great, right? And if we done with this, we can add it into the element. For example, I drag it to the element and rename the constraint group to PopNav item. Whenever I want to create this again, I can just drag it from the library, just like that. This is just an example. If you already have it, you can just copy and paste and set it like that. And what menu we want? Role access, user, and logout. User, you see that it's still in the left line. It's because I set the edge to the right, but the text align itself is still on the left, right here. Okay, let's change this. Put it back and set it into line right. We can remove this and remove this from the library too. Delete a set, and we can drag the new one. Rename it PopNav item again. We can just drag it again. And now let's see this. User and logout. Nice, right? Because we doesn't have any menu beside role access, user, and logout, we can just resize this like this, and this is the last item, so we can remove the line. Just like that. By the way, you can always resize this page like this if you want to see, or maybe you want to design on the mobile. You can resize the artboard, move the component like this, just resize it. And basically we can move all of this to the left like that. And remember, this is a menu. We can just group it and name it nav menu. That's it. This is the dashboard. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions, please ask in the comment section below. Next, we will create prototype design for user, for list, create, update, and delete. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.